Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to link Apple Home with Schlage app, enable HomeKit and sync lock controls. To link your Schlage smart lock to your Apple Home app, it is highly recommended to start with the Schlage Home app. First, how to link the app. Follow these exact steps. Step 1. Set up in Schlage app. Ensure your Schlage lock is fully installed, paired to your Wi-Fi network, and set up in the Schlage Home app. Step 2. Navigate to Works with. Now open the Schlage Home app, tap the menu icon, which is the three lines in the top left corner, and from there select Works with. Step 3. Select HomeKit. Then tap on Apple HomeKit and then get started and select the lock you want to pair. Step 4. Link to Apple Home. Now the app will prompt you to step 2. Choose the HomeKit home you want to add the lock to and select your lock. Step 5. Scan or tap to add. Then hold your phone against the lock to activate NFC if using Schlage and Code Plus, or scan the HomeKit setup code from your lock's label or quick start guide. Step 6. Finish the setup. Now follow the remaining on-screen instructions to assign your lock to a room and name it. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.